So the next commands are spirit hide and spirit show, that is SH and SS. So what do you mean by this spirit hide and spirit show commands? Students, do you all love playing hide and seek, that is Luka Chupi? Yes or no? So here you can play hide and seek with the turtle using this spirit hide and spirit show command. So this turtle, it is in spirit. You can hide it from the view or else you can show it on the screen. How will we do this? Let me explain it with an example. So suppose if you want to draw a square, how will you draw it? Like this. This is a square, right? So firstly we have turtle over here on this position. So what will you do? Facing this side. This is its first position. So what will you do? Firstly move forward. The turtle, it comes over here facing this side. So you will turn right and forward. This is the third position of the turtle. It will be facing this side. So you will turn right and right by 90 degrees. Then forward. So the turtle, it will come over here. This is its fourth position. And it will be facing this side. So again you will turn right and then forward. So the turtle comes back on its first position over here. It will come back on its first position. Yes or no? So using this spirit hide and spirit command, spirit show command, what can we do? Suppose the turtle is over here on its first position over here. We will move forward. Then over here, this is its second position. Then turn right. Now if I don't want to see this turtle on the screen, which command will I use over here? Spirit hide. SH. So the turtle, I can't see the turtle, but it is moving on the screen. It will be hidden. Then the turtle comes over here, but I can't see it. It is facing this side. This is its third position. Then again turn right by 90 degrees and move forward. The turtle has come over here, but it is not visible. It is facing this side. So turn right. Now I want to see the turtle. So which command will I use? Spirit show command, SS. And then forward. So the turtle will be moving from here to here and it will be seen on the screen. Now using this spirit hide and spirit show commands, you can just hide or show the turtle on the screen. But it will do its work. Whatever commands we give him, that is move forward, turn right, turn left, move backward, anything. It will do its work, but it won't be visible on the screen. But here in pen up and pen down command, what happens? The turtle, it won't draw the things over here. When we pen up na, it won't draw the lines. But in spirit hide and spirit show, the turtle, it will do its work, but it won't be visible. Now, let us write the commands for this. Firstly, reset. Then, the turtle is over here. So, first is move forward 100. The turtle has come over here. Then turn right 90. Now I want to hide the turtle. So, spirit, hide. Then, forward, 100. It is over here facing this side. So, next command will be turn right 90 degrees. It is over here facing this side. So, forward 100 will be the next command. So, the turtle, it has come over here and it is facing this side downwards. So, which will be the next command? Turn right by 90 degrees. Now, we want to see the turtle. So, which command will we use? SS, that is spirit show command. And then move forward by 100 steps. So, the turtle, it will come back to its first position and a square will be drawn. Thank you.